Hello people, wagwan. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I am going to prepare some quinoa and king prawns for my dinner. So as you can see here, this is the brand that I'm using. The recommended cooking time is 15 to 18 minutes, and it's also advised by the packet that you should give it a thorough wash. That will help to wash away some of the bitter taste. So I'm pouring out 1 cup, and I'm just going to add it to my strainer and give it a good wash. I will wash it 3 times, and then you will see that the water is clear after about 3 washes. So that's what I'm doing here, just giving it a good little wash. So after thoroughly washing the quinoa, I just added it to my pot, as you can see here, and then I'm going to season it. So I seasoned with some all-purpose, some turmeric, and a bit of salt. I just used half a teaspoon of each ingredients, and then combine everything and just allow it to toast for like 2 minutes. And then I added 2 cups of water. So 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water for cooking. And also I added some butter, and then I just put the lid on and allow that to cook for 18 minutes or so. And then I'll get back to you guys and show you what it looks like at the end. So it's coming down nicely, almost ready. I think I'm gonna leave it for another 5 minutes or so until all the water have evaporated. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna quickly prepare my prawns that I'm going to eat with it. Just season it up with some fish season, and I've got some ginger and garlic, piece of scotch bonnet, bell peppers, spring onions, white onion, and some thyme, and that's it. Something nice and healthy, quick and easy. So I just put a small amount of oil, put my seasoning in. Smelling really nice. So I just saute this for like 2 to 3 minutes. And then it's time to add my prawns. I added some all-purpose and some Maggi fish seasoning, that's all. Just a basic meal. I'm going to put the lid on and leave that to simmer for like 5 minutes. Prawns are ready, looking nice. Also the quinoa is done, and it's looking like that because I put turmeric in there, so that's why the color is looking a little bit dirty yellow, but it tastes lovely nonetheless. I'm just going to transfer my quinoa into the pan with the prawns and just combine everything, and that's dinner. So that's that. I'm just going to plate it up and enjoy my meal. Yes guys, so this is what it's looking like, and right now I'm just going to dig right in and enjoy my Monday night dinner. I have some carrot juice left back over from yesterday, and I'm just going to enjoy it. But I just decided to rustle this up, and it looked good and it tastes really nice. Healthy alternative for rice. People, I'm trying to get rid of my stomach. So I'm trying to eat a bit healthier. Take care. God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. God bless.